Welcome back to AK Cars Reviews. Today we're diving into one of the most mind-blowing creations the automotive world has ever seen, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. Bugatti, the brand that's always been synonymous with hypercars and extreme performance, has stepped into the luxury motorhome world. And just like everything Bugatti does, this isn't your average motorhome. It's an ultra-luxurious, high-tech masterpiece that combines the DNA of a hypercar with the comfort of a five-star hotel on wheels. Let's take a detailed look at what makes this beast so special, from its breathtaking exterior to the lavish interior, the powerhouse performance under the hood, and of course the jaw-dropping price tag. At first glance, the exterior of the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is absolutely stunning. Unlike traditional RVs or motorhomes that tend to look bulky and boxy, Bugatti has managed to design something that looks sleek, futuristic, and aerodynamic while still being massive in presence. The iconic horseshoe grille that we've seen on models like the Chiron and Devo is right there at the front, immediately identifying it as a Bugatti. The motorhome carries sharp LED matrix headlights with a futuristic light signature that gives it a commanding road presence even before you notice the sheer size. The body is sculpted with flowing lines and curves, using lightweight carbon fiber mixed with aluminum to keep weight as low as possible without compromising strength. Massive 24-inch alloy wheels with aerodynamic inserts hug the ground, giving it both stability and a luxurious stance. Even at this size, Bugatti insists on performance aerodynamics. So, active aero elements, retractable spoilers, and air intakes are integrated to reduce drag and maximize efficiency. From the retractable awnings on the side to the automatic hydraulic leveling system, every detail feels futuristic yet practical. Now, stepping inside the Bugatti Motorhome is like entering another world. Bugatti has taken its luxury DNA from hypercars and stretched it into an interior that feels like a rolling palace. The cabin greets you with hand-stitched leather, carbon fiber accents, and polished aluminum finishes. The seats are made from the finest materials, fully adjustable with memory functions, heating, cooling, and even massage features. The cockpit is designed more like a luxury yacht, with a futuristic digital display that gives the driver full control over navigation, performance modes, and even smart home integration inside the motorhome. Voice control and gesture recognition are standard, making everything feel intuitive and advanced. The living space inside is breathtaking. There's a spacious lounge area with a massive old curved TV, surround sound system from Bang & Olufsen, and smart lighting that adjusts based on mood. The kitchen is a chef's dream, equipped with high-end appliances like induction cooking, a smart refrigerator, microwave, and even a wine cooler. The dining table is extendable, crafted from premium wood with carbon fiber inlays. Moving further back, the master bedroom feels like a luxury hotel suite, featuring a king-size bed, panoramic glass roof with smart tinting, and storage space that's both stylish and practical. The bathroom is equally luxurious, with marble finishes, a rainfall shower, and even a smart mirror that can display news, weather, or entertainment while you get ready. For long trips, Bugatti has included advanced climate control systems, ensuring comfort no matter where in the world you travel. Asterisk, but don't let the comfort fool you. This is still a Bugatti, which means performance is a huge part of the package. Underneath, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is powered by a hybrid powertrain derived from Bugatti's next-generation technology. It combines a W16 engine with advanced electric motors, delivering an astonishing 1,200 horsepower. That's right. This motorhome has more power than most supercars on the road. Despite its massive size, it can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds, making it the fastest motorhome ever created. Top speed is electronically limited for safety, but it's rumored to be well over 140 miles per hour, which is unheard of in the RV world. The hybrid system also ensures efficiency, offering electric-only driving modes for city cruising and advanced regenerative braking for better range. Bugatti has even equipped it with an adaptive suspension system that reads the road ahead and adjusts in real time, providing a smooth and stable ride whether you're on the highway or parked in the mountains. Of course, a masterpiece like this comes at a price. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome starts at an estimated $5 million, with customization options that can push it even higher depending on personal preferences. Buyers can choose bespoke interior trims, unique exterior paints, and even personalized technology packages. Bugatti knows its clientele wants exclusivity, so production will be extremely limited, making this one of the rarest and most expensive motorhomes in the world. So what we have here is not just a motorhome, but a symbol of ultimate luxury and performance combined. It's for the ultra-wealthy who don't want to compromise between comfort and speed. Those who want to travel the world in style, but still keep the thrill of driving a Bugatti. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome redefines what a luxury RV can be and sets a new standard that no one else has dared to attempt. That wraps up today's review of the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome. A hypercar spirit in a luxury home on wheels, something only Bugatti could pull off. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our future deep dives into the most exciting cars and innovations in the automotive world. Thanks for watching. All Cars Reviews, and I'll see you in the next one. Asterisk.